Stop by and take a look at the 2026 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Come take a test drive today.